Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title, you guys can tell that I'm doing a try on haul today for you guys from Zaful. So if you guys want to see everything that I got, then go ahead and please keep on watching. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you check out the description box to save 15% if you do decide to do some online shopping on their website. And I will list everything that I got in the description box down below. I'm sorry if my voice kind of starts to crack or I start coughing. I have this annoying itch in my throat and I cannot get it under control. I have filmed this video twice already. The first time the lighting was just horrible. The second time my audio was off. So here's the third time. Third time is the charm, they say. So hopefully this video comes out nice. I have taken everything out of its original packaging because, like I said, this is the third time filming this video and I'm too lazy to put everything back in its package, and I just took it all out. It's all over the floor now and I just do not feel like folding it all back up and putting it in each bag. So yeah. All right, let's get right into this video. So everything came in a bag like this, in a Zaful bag, a Ziploc bag, with the name of the product and the size. It came nicely packaged. Everything was really nice. They took the time to fold everything and put it in these bags. So there's a bonus points for that because not many companies do that. Okay, so I got a variety of stuff. I mainly got a lot of cozy stuff and just random things just because I wanted to test out the quality of their stuff. So yeah, everything's kind of all over the place. So the first thing I want to talk about is these eyelashes that I picked up. It just says 3 fashion eyelashes, glam, volume, sexy, and there's 3 in a pack and it's in the style DO3. So this is what they look like. Now I've already used 2 of them. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really like these lashes. I was actually really impressed. They're super wispy and just I don't know, I really like them. They're just the perfect length and I just love how wispy they are at the end. I'm actually super impressed and I plan on getting more of them. So if you are interested in their lashes, I definitely recommend them because they're actually really good. I've used already 2 of them and I have 1 pair left and I want some more. They remind me of the Ardell wispy lashes, but a little bit better. I don't like to spend a lot of money on eyelashes because I get about 10 wears out of my eyelashes before they start falling apart. So I don't like spending $30 on eyelashes, which they can go for, because they're not going to last forever. I just feel like getting cheap lashes that are actually really nice is better than just spending $30. So definitely check out their lashes if you're looking for some pretty everyday lashes that you can wear. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys are these earrings. I wanted some hoops because I haven't had hoops in such a long time, and I feel like hoops just can dress up any outfit and can just really make you feel really glam and just in a really good mood. So I am wearing a pair right now, but I got all of these and they have little bow ones, little hearts, little diamonds, and I also don't like to spend too much money on earrings. Sorry guys, I have an itch in my throat. I don't like to spend too much money on earrings because I always tend to lose my earrings. I don't know where they go. They're like socks. They just disappear. So I don't like to spend too much money on earrings or necklaces because I just for some reason always lose them, especially earrings. So okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is this cute little bag. How cute is this? I freaking love it. It's so cute. So it's very nicely made. I was really surprised. And it comes with this buckle here and it's got just a lot of space in here to store, your cell phone, a lip gloss, a couple of cards if you want. And it also has this strap if you want to wear it like a crossbody bag, or you can even just wear it, I guess, as a clutch. But it's so cute. It's very nicely made. It's nicely stitched. and it comes in a bunch of different colors. Really like this one. It's not too big, it's not too small, just the right size. Okay, so I love anything furry, anything like cozy. So I decided to pick up this jacket. I got it in a size medium, and it just looks like this. This is in the color camel, and it's super cozy. It kind of, my husband says it kind of looks like a carpet, but I don't care. It's so cozy and warm. It is a jacket. It does have like a gold zipper. You could wear it like as a sweater if you wanted to, but it's super soft, very cozy. I got it in a medium. I wish I would have gotten it in a I wish I would have gotten a large, because I wanted it to be like a little bit more baggier on me. But it's okay, like that was my fault. These come in a bunch of different colors. They also have some with hoods. Like, I want all of these, and they got pockets. So very cozy sweater. I wore it out, when did I wear it? Like a couple days ago for like 2 days straight, and it was just so cozy and warm. I freaking love this. Okay, so I got this sweater too. I really like the colors and I liked the design. I think this one is a one size fits all, but it's very cozy. I like the colors. I don't have anything like this. Very simple, but I feel like you can wear it with jeans or high-waisted black pants with some knee-high boots. Really like these colors. Really pretty. I got 2 of these shirts. They're pretty much the same, just different colors. So I got one in this, like, I don't even know, like a light pink kind of color, I guess. It's a long sleeve, and it goes all the way up the neck, and it's got these little ruffle details here, and it's very stretchy. This looks good, like tucked in to high-waisted pants. And I also got the black version. Now this one isn't as, like, it's not sewed as nicely. Like, see here, you could see some of the thread wasn't, like, I don't know, it should have been like tucked in. This one, the neck goes a little bit higher, so I have been folding it. But very comfortable. This is a little bit see-through. The black one's a little bit see-through. So, but I mean, you could just wear a black bra and you'll be good to go. Again, a very basic kind of top, but I just feel like it would look nice with some jeans and some cute little brown booties. I got this cardigan. It's kind of reminds me of like a grandma kind of cardigan, but I don't know. I just like the colors, and it's very like oversized, and I just feel like it's perfect for this time of year. I like these buttons that it has here along the front, and just very cozy, again, with like leggings or with some jeans, and you can leave it open or you can just button it all up. And it does kind of stink. This one stinks a little bit, like, I don't know, but I'm gonna obviously wash it. I haven't worn it, so I'm gonna wash it, and I'm pretty sure like the stank will go away. I got this nice dressy kind of top, and it's got flowers all over, and it's got these little pearl buttons back here around the neck, so it has like a little keyhole on the back, and then also on the cuffs it has the same kind of buttons. This is a very see-through. You can wear a nude bra or a nude like tank top and it'll be good. I would definitely tuck this in. Maybe it would look nice with like high-waisted jeans and like a brown belt. Very pretty. I love this, and it's very light and flowy. So I got this summery sunflower dress. Sunflower, yeah. And I love the buttons here at the front. It's very well made, and then around here on the back it's got this like elastic kind of waist, so it is pretty stretchy. It is kind of long. It has pockets, which is good. I think I would take in the bottom part. I would hem the bottom. Well, I wouldn't. My mom would. And yeah, it's perfect for like the summer. I wouldn't wear this right now, obviously, because it's like minus 35 here, and it's just so colorful and lightweight. It looks like it would be like really comfortable, not too hot. Sorry if I keep looking down. I have a monitor in front of me, and so I just keep looking down instead of looking here. I keep looking down here because I just keep going out of focus. I have a new camera and I'm still trying to figure it out, so bear with me. Okay, and last but not least, I got a bathing suit. This is a full piece. It's got a nice keyhole right here at the front, and it's got a clasp in the back. I like that the straps are adjustable. I like these colors. I got this one in a large. I've kind of been forgetting to say the sizes I've gotten in these pieces, but like I said, I'll include everything in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And this one is really nice. It's a tiny bit big on me around the waist, but on the butt and on the front it fits me perfect, and I really like this. Definitely going to wear this in the summer if I go to the beach, and it's enough like coverage, but it's also kind of like sexy, you know, so you don't feel like, I don't know, like you're covering too much up. It still shows a little bit of skin, and I just really like it. I love full pieces. I'm more of like a full piece bathing suit kind of girl. Alright, so that concludes this Zaful haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please thumbs up this video, and it'll let me know that you would like me to do more try-on hauls for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!